Hi guys! So, this is my small birthday cake na ginahatag ni Chloe sa akin. And yeah, salamat gid Chloe if you're watching this. Thank you so much. Biskan gamay po gid na cake. I don't know kung how much you paid for this type of cake. And holy shit. Oh my god. It's puff. OMG, wait. It's my first time having this type of candles. Galupok siya, guys. Natawa. Like a firecracker. So, yeah. If you're seeing this, Chloe, thank you so much, Chloe. And also for my friends for surprising me yesterday. Og like cake na ginaano na kun na accident sa akon. That's entirely my fault, kid guys. Sorry, but at least we had fun. Hopefully, we had fun. OMG, ano siya? Okay, I'm worried ba si ano siya. So yeah, I would like to thank all my friends, my families as well for surprising me too at my birthday. Friday, August 1, 2002. Okay. So yeah. And yesterday, the cake as well. But now, here's another for Chloe. Once again, thank you, Chloe, for the cake, and yeah, happy belated birthday to me. Wow. It freaking lights up. Should I wait lang? Holy shit. Wait, we'll get me. So, yeah. Where the hell did I... okay, right. So, cake. Oh, I should blow this out now. Look at this. Huh. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh my god! Tapos na. Let's dive in. Ayun na siya, na-dent siya. May something siya di. Wow, OMG. So good. Naamo lang niya akong ako lunch. So cute. Thank you. It's so good siya, guys. Dapat siya sa nabakal nila. I mean, same lang siya feeling, guys. Chocolate with more chocolate icing in between the cakes. 3 layers. 3 layers. And it's covered with this white foam. I think this is the meringue, I think. No. The icing. Topped with chocolate sauce dripping. This and this thing. Ball. Birthday. Edible. Dear. Stop my diabetes on kugid. This is Baskin cakes, guys. So that's all.